to this very terror module. Yes.
All right, Brian, we have some breaking inputs coming in. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reached Lok Nayak Jai Prakash Narayan Hospital to meet the injured in the Red Fort car blast case. So this is the latest that we are getting you. Prime Minister Narendra Modi actually landed in Delhi. He was in Bhutan, and now when he has landed in Delhi, he has actually reached, he is going to shortly reach the LNJP hospital over there to meet those who have been injured in this entire Delhi Red Fort car blast attack. So this is the latest that is coming in. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has landed in Delhi and he is shortly going to arrive at the hospital to meet those injured. Joining me on the phone line is Kamaljeet Shehrawat, BJP MP. Thank you, Mr. Shehrawat, for joining us. We want to understand, this is the first step that the Prime Minister is taking. He is going and visiting all those injured. He's just landed and he's headed straight for the hospital where all those injured from the car blast case are there.
दिल्ली में ये घटना कायरता की निशानी है। जो लोग भारत की अस्मिता को, भारत की एकता को चैलेंज करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन जिनमें सामने से आने की हिम्मत नहीं है, वो इस तरह की कायराना हरकत करते हैं, चाहे वो पहलगांव हो या दिल्ली की घटना। हमारे जिन परिवारों में क्षति पहुंची है, हम बहुत तकलीफ में हैं। सोचा नहीं था कि इतनी हिम्मत उनकी हो सकती है कि वो दिल्ली में आकर इस तरह की घटना को अंजाम देंगे। हम सब पूरे देशवासी उन परिवारों के साथ खड़े हैं। अपने परिवारजनों को हमने खोया है, इस बात की हम सब तकलीफ में है, संवेदना प्रकट करते हैं। आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का स्पष्ट संदेश गृह मंत्री जी पहले ही दे चुके हैं और ये घटना अब जब हुई है तो मुझे लगता है इसको करने वालों की आत्मा कांपनी चाहिए। इस तरह का जवाब भारत सरकार और हमारे अधिकारियों की तरफ से देना चाहिए।
ऑल राइट मैम, हम ये देख रहे हैं कि ये एक तो हमारे इन्वेस्टिगेटिव एजेंसीज भी बहुत जल्द में काम कर रहे हैं। हम देख रहे हैं कि उन्होंने ये इन्वेस्टिगेशंस और अरेस्ट तो ये ब्लास्ट होने से पहले ही शुरू कर दी थी, बट अभी और भी इन्वेस्टिगेशन, हमारे एनआईए भी वहाँ पर स्पॉट पे हैं, वो अल फलाह यूनिवर्सिटी पे हैं और सारी जो चीज़ें हैं वो बहुत जल्द ही जो टेरर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है उसको ब्रेक डाउन करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
जी, भारत एक बहुत बड़ा देश है। किसी भी इनपुट पर काम करते वक्त समय रिजल्ट रहा है, तो वास्तव में बहुत अच्छा काम किया है। ये जो परिवार जिनको क्षति पहुंची है उसको तकलीफ करना कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आगे घटना है, इसके लिए सारी एजेंसी मुस्तैदी से काम कर रही है। सभी अधिकारियों का जिस सर्विस लेवल पे काम हुआ है उस पूरा साजिश को बेनकाब किया गया है। उसके लिए सभी हमारी पुलिस को और सारी हमारी इंटरनल एजेंसीज को बहुत धन्यवाद करते हैं कि आगे कोई घटना होने से पहले चीजों को संभाल लिया है। और ये जो घटना हुई है इसमें इन परिवारों के साथ में सिर्फ दिल्ली नहीं पूरा देश खड़ा है और इस घटना का अंजाम देने वालों को अंजाम भुगतना पड़ेगा, ये भी देश बहुत जल्द दिखेगा।
जी धन्यवाद मैम आपका टाइम के लिए और वी अप्रिशिएट यू जॉइनिंग अस ऑन दिस ब्रॉडकास्ट। रिमेंबर व्यूअर्स, वी आर ब्रिंगिंग यू द लाइव अपडेट्स। प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी हैज़ लैंडेड in New Delhi and he will shortly arrive at the LNJP hospital where all those who were injured in this Red Fort blast case, they are being treated over there, and that's the first priority for our Prime Minister. He's heading there to meet those who have been injured, and later on in the day he is also scheduled to chair a cabinet committee of security meeting. And remember, this all comes after his state visit to Bhutan, and the first thing that our Prime Minister is doing is visiting the hospital where all those who were injured at the at Red Fort are being treated. And we all saw how the NIA and other investigative agencies are also conducting thorough investigation in this entire case. We are seeing a lot of arrests being made, and we are also seeing raids and searches being conducted across northern India. We have searches being conducted in Jammu and Kashmir, we have searches being conducted in Faridabad, and we also have the Delhi police conducting its investigation. We have the NIA conducting their investigation. We have officials present currently and questioning all those who were actually in touch with those terror suspects at Al Falah University, and those people are also being investigated. So all angles are being investigated right now. Joining me on the phone line is my colleague Sanjay Sharma with more details on this case. We will in fact, however, go across to Praveen Khandelwal, the BJP MP. Sir, thank you for joining us. We appreciate your time. We are now learning that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will shortly visit the hospital where all those injured are being treated. That's his priority. How do you look at this? And also, because you are the MP from Chandni Chowk area, because you are from that area, how do you see this, sir?
Well, it clearly reflects the humanity approach of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, who yesterday also said that the entire nation is totally stunned with this unfortunate incident, and reaching Honorable Prime Minister at LNJP Hospital will certainly boost the morale of the injured people, as also it will intensify the investigation to next level.
So we are also seeing now that Prime Minister Narendra Modi later on will hold a cabinet committee of security meeting on this entire case and all the investigation and raids that are being conducted across northern India. How are we looking at that?
Well, it clearly reflects the seriousness of Honorable Prime Minister, and the CCS meeting will definitely deliberate on the evidences and other related issues or the material collected by all our agencies, and then definitely Honorable Prime Minister will pass necessary directions to the concerned authorities to take the issue on the utmost priority, which he has already spelled out.
So we were just looking at those innocent lives which have also been lost in this terror case, and we are also looking at all those injured, those innocent people who were just bystanders with no fault of theirs being involved in this entire nexus of terrorism. They are being treated. I believe you have also sought the strictest punishment for those who are involved and to break this entire terror ecosystem that is existing in our country right now.
Absolutely. This unfortunate incident has caused maximum damage to the innocent people, which is really worrying everybody, including Honorable Prime Minister and the government. And I am sure if we look at the, if we really look into the past, whenever such kind of incident, whether it is Pulwama or it is something like that, the Prime Minister has taken the toughest decisions. And I pretty sure that today's in CCS meeting, Honorable Prime Minister will certainly take the tough decision and will restore the confidence of the citizens of the country into the system.
Sir, you have also met all those who have been injured. You have seen them, you have visited them in the hospital. We want to know how you actually went and what those people were actually saying when you went to meet them.
Well, I would like to mention 2-3 important things. Yesterday, I went to LNJP hospital and I met all the injured people. Point number 1, every injured told me that the hospital administration is providing them the best of treatment, which is helping them to recover fast. Number two, having the humanity approach, the hospital administration has made elaborate arrangements for food and other things for the attendance of the injured, and everybody was appreciating the immediate actions taken by the police force, the fire service, and everybody. And since they all were very innocent, so they were trying to recover from the trauma. And I am sure in last 2 days they have been able to recover to a great extent. And everybody was thanking Prime Minister Modi.
All right. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. We appreciate your time. I want to now go across to my colleague Sanjay Sharma, who is also joining us on this broadcast. Sanjay, हमें पता लग रहा है कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी रवाना हो चुके हैं एलएनजेपी हॉस्पिटल के लिए। वो अभी ही इंडिया में लैंड किए थे दिल्ली में, और उन्होंने ये निर्णय लिया कि वो एलएनजेपी हॉस्पिटल सबसे पहले जाएंगे इंजर्ड से मिलने के लिए।
देखिए, प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की ये खासियत है, इस बात में उनकी तारीफ करना होगी कि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी इतने संजीदगी से इस मामले को देख रहे हैं। जिस तरह से आतंकी हमला हुआ, उन्होंने भूटान में जाकर के भी बात कही। उन्होंने कहा कि षड्यंत्रकारियों को बख्शा नहीं जाएगा, और दिल्ली जैसे उन्होंने लैंड किया, भूटान से जैसे दिल्ली पहुंचे, सबसे पहला, जबकि उनका शेड्यूल नहीं था कहीं भी जाने का, सीधे पालम एयरपोर्ट से उनको सीधे घर पे जाना था, लेकिन उन्होंने अनशेड्यूल प्रोग्राम बनाते हुए सीधे सबसे पहले एलएनजेपी जाने का फैसला किया, एलएनजेपी जाकर के घायलों से मिलने का फैसला किया है। तो ये कुछ ऐसी बातें हैं जो प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी को बाकी नेताओं से अलग बनाती है, और ये बताती है कि वो वाकई कितने संजीदगी से इन चीजों को देखते हैं और कितने गंभीर हैं इन मामलों को लेकर।
जी बिल्कुल, हमारे साथ बने रहे संजय। वी हैव